Welcome to this full review of Raisin Invest Robo-advisor for investing. You can find links to the platform in the description below for easy access. Raisin Invest is a user-friendly robo-advisor designed for individuals looking to build a diversified investment portfolio with minimal effort. It's ideal for those who want a hands-off investing experience but still desire personalized portfolio management without the high fees of traditional financial advisors. One of the standout features of Raisin Invest is its automated portfolio management. The platform uses algorithms to design a portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Whether you're focused on retirement savings, wealth accumulation, or specific financial milestones, Raisin Invest offers tailored investment options. The portfolios are built using a combination of ETFs and index funds, ensuring broad market exposure with low fees. This is perfect for long-term investors seeking low-maintenance investment strategies. The platform offers a range of risk profiles, allowing investors to choose a strategy that aligns with their personal comfort level. Whether you're a conservative investor or looking for higher risk growth, Raisin Invest provides flexibility. Additionally, the platform features a low minimum investment requirement, making it accessible for both beginner and seasoned investors. The fees are also competitive, generally ranging from 0.3% to 0.7%, depending on the portfolio size. However, Raisin Invest does have some drawbacks. While it offers a solid investment selection, it lacks the advanced tax optimization strategies and personalized financial advice that some higher-end platforms offer. Additionally, the platform doesn't offer much in terms of sustainable or socially responsible investing options, which might be a limitation for some users. In conclusion, Raisin Invest is a solid, cost-effective robo-advisor that provides a straightforward and efficient investment solution for those seeking long-term growth without complex decisions. If you're looking for a hands-off approach to investing with low fees and a diversified portfolio, Raisin Invest might be the right fit for you. Check the links in the description to explore the platform further.